Welcome to this detailed lecture on DOMSET tablet. Learning objectives. The goal of this lecture is to make you understand the pharmacology of DOMSET. You will learn how its two active components, paracetamol and domperidone, work together to relieve fever and nausea, how it absorbs and eliminates them, and how to prescribe and counsel the patients safely. We will discuss everything in detail, including clinical precautions, storage recommendations, and brand details. Composition. Each tablet contains two key ingredients. Paracetamol, also known as acetaminophen. A dose of 325 mg acts as an analgesic and antipyretic, reduces pain and fever. The second component, domperidone, at a dose of 10 mg, is a dopamine D2 receptor antagonist which prevents nausea and vomiting while promoting gastric motility. Together they make DOMSET, which is highly effective in treating patients who experience fever, headache and gastrointestinal discomfort with nausea. Classification. Paracetamol belongs to group of non-opioid analgesic and antipyretic drugs. It acts to reduce fever and pain. Domperidone is classified as dopamine D2 antagonist, which functions as both antiemetic and gastroprotective agents. The dual mechanism useful in condition where pain or fever is associated with nausea, Vera fevers or migraine. Mechanism of action. Paracetamol works in the central nervous system by inhibiting cyclooxygenase enzymes which are responsible for prostaglandin synthesis. This results in reduced pain and lower body temperature. Domperidone acts on chemoreceptor trigger zone of the brain, blocks the dopamine receptors that mediate the vomiting reflex. It increases gastric emptying and intestinal movement, relieving bloating and nausea. Spectrum of activity. The therapeutic spectrum of activity of DOMSET is broad. It provides analgesic and antipyretic action due to paracetamol and antiemetic plus the prokinetic benefits due to domperidone. Pharmacokinetics. After the oral administration, paracetamol is rapidly absorbed from gastrointestinal tract and reaches peak plasma levels within an hour. Further metabolized by liver and primarily excreted in urine as conjugates. Domperidone, however, has lower bioavailability because it undergoes extensive first-pass metabolism in the liver and intestinal wall. Further metabolized by the enzyme CYP3A4 and eliminated through feces and urine. The onset of action occurs within 30 to 60 minutes, providing quick symptom relief. Pharmacodynamics. Paracetamol acts centrally to relieve pain and reduce fever, while domperidone exerts its effect peripherally by enhancing gastric motility and preventing nausea. This combination improves patient comfort and overall recovery, especially in fever associated with gastrointestinal disturbances. Indications. DOMSET is indicated for conditions where fever or pain is accompanied by nausea or vomiting. This includes flu, viral fever, post-operative states, or gastritis. It is also beneficial in migraines where vomit accompanies severe headache. Dosage and administration. For adults, one DOMSET tablet can be taken every 8 hours as required, but not exceeding 3 tablets in 24 hours. It should be taken before meals. For children, suspension form is recommended under medical supervision. Always ensure the dosage interval to prevent overdose. Adverse effects. Most patients may tolerate DOMSET well, but some may experience minor side effects like nausea, dry mouth, or dizziness. Overdose of paracetamol can lead to serious liver injury, while prolonged domperidone may cause QT prolongation. Monitoring is essential. Contraindications: it should not be used in patients with significant liver disease, cardiac rhythm abnormalities, gastrointestinal obstruction, or known hypersensitivity to any of its ingredients. Drug interactions. Use of alcohol significantly increase the risk of liver injury of paracetamol. CYP3A4 inhibitors like ketoconazole and ritonavir may raise domperidone levels, predisposing to cardiac side effects. Macrolide antibiotics such as erythromycin should be avoided. Antacid and proton pump inhibitors can reduce a domperidone absorption if taken simultaneously. Overdose and management. In case of overdose, early intervention is crucial. Administer activated charcoal if the patient presents within 1 hour. N-acetylcysteine serves as antidote for paracetamol-induced hepatotoxicity. Continuous monitoring of liver function and cardiac rhythm is mandatory in severe cases. Storage and stability. Store in cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Exposure to heat and moisture can degrade the active ingredients. Always check expiry date before dispensing or consuming. Brand names. Cipla Domcet is among the most recognized brands combining paracetamol and domperidone. Counseling and safety. Counsel patients to take Domcet before meals. Alcohol should be strictly avoided as it increases the liver toxicity risk. Advise them to report any dizziness, jaundice, or unusual fatigue immediately. Emphasize that the medications is for short-term use only. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe for more such tutorial.